Well, hello again. William Chambers here. I'm finally getting around to making this video on this Oliver tractor finished. Had a few guys ask me if it was done or what was going on, and to be quite honest, for the last few weeks I've been painting pretty well every night, and quite honestly I'm getting tired of it. I want to do something else. So, wow, and harvest times now too. We started beans a couple weeks ago, edible beans, and lots been going on. We've been opening up fields for people. We do a little bit of harvest custom work, and so we've been doing that and getting equipment ready and fixing equipment, and yeah. So while I still got daylight, I thought I would show you this real quick. A few little things to finish up on it. One of the main reasons I haven't, other than being busy, is I was waiting on this one piece. And I want to thank the fine folks at Corves Oliver in Waterloo, Illinois for sending me this piece. Now, this is a $65 piece, US. Cost me $167 by the time I got it here. So, you know, there's not much you can do, and it kind of looks funny without it. I just got some zip ties holding those grill pieces on. But yeah, it is what it is. You know, that's a brand new reproduction part. It came, I have primer on it now, but it came bare metal. And it looks exactly like the original. So, I got this seat cover here from, I guess that came from the US too. I'm not quite sure where, but I got it on eBay. I painted all these little blocks here green. We're actually missing a few of them. Gotta cut those studs off a bit. They're a little too long. Got these new rubber, I guess, rubber bushings. I don't know what you call them, but they're actually what gives you your seat. Oh, geez, I'm at a loss for words. Gives it its cushion, I guess. Takes the shock out of driving across the plowed field. Actually missing two of those blocks on this wheel. I got the new steering wheel. I haven't got it on yet, but that's neither here nor there. We headed up to the antique tractor show in Tavistock, and actually we took six tractors that day, and we were there's only 3 people that brought tractors, so we kind of stole the show there. But I'm gonna fire this up. Purrs like a kitten. Daughter to paint this. Actually, these are painted red with the yellow letters on them. But doesn't that run smooth? Put all new ignition parts on it. Dad rebuilt the carburetor. A few little pieces missing on it, but the rubber's all good. We're not even going to touch that. Missing a spring on the right brake. Push it down, it doesn't come back. And we're missing the PTO handle. Dad's actually trying to make something for it. Put these new reproduction lights on, steel. Have to get them wired up yet. Gotta rewire that up. It's still got the old cloth covered wire on it, and it was shorting out on us and it would stall and sputter and carry on. Runs smooth. And it's short enough we can get the old chicken barn there. That's where we store all the bean windrowers. It's pretty handy. We can get in and out with this thing pretty easy. So I kind of keep it around here. I think Dad kind of wants it at his place, but I need a tractor here that runs that I can move stuff around too. Yeah, we got 2 more sitting there. This one here is a 30 and we're using it for parts. And this one's a Cockshutt 70, which is the same as an Oliver 70. They both run, but I'll get to that another day. So, well, there's the old Oliver 88 finished. Move on to the next project. Thanks for watching.